This 2022 Palomino Puma 25 BHFQ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Palomino is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, TV antenna, slide-out, LP detector, skylight, self-contained, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, refrigerator, smoke detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Palomino Puma 25 BHFQ is 6,937 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.